Hi guys, let me show you how to feature a person less on iOS 16. So at first, open Photos, choose the picture with the person that you'd like to add this feature to, for example this one, then click on More icon and select the last option here, which is Feature this person less. And now you can mark two options, so you can feature this person less. As you can see, this is for individual photos and videos that would be hidden, obviously when phone detects this person, or you can set never feature this person, so no photos of this person will be featured or included in memories, including group photos. So the difference is in group photos here, so you can pick second option here. Let me hide this person from everything, also from group photos, and then just tap on confirm. And that's it, that will be all. So this is how you can feature a person less. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.